Ads.txt is something that is worrying a lot of bloggers out there, yes. And today I have solutions to that. You can see I'm having a blog right now. I just created, and as you can see, people are already worried. I'm having messages on why they are seeing this and why is this thing happening. So today I'm here to share with you how to solve this, and I have solutions right for you. Yes. So this is a new blog I'm trying to work on. That is living tips. All right. So it's a help blog. Yes, it is a help blog. And I just created it a few days ago, sent an application, and I'm still seeing not found. So but you seeing not found doesn't mean your blog is not going to get approved by AdSense. Forget about that. I'll talk about that further on. So right on AdSense, if you really want to fix this problem, the first thing you need, I'm working on Blogger. Yes, Blogger. I'll talk about WordPress later. So whilst you are on Blogger, that is you entering your Blogger and then entering it into your hosting platform. Remember, as I said, I have solutions to this. It is very simple to fix it. All right. So once you're on, you head on to settings. So right on settings, the next thing you are supposed to do is scroll down. Yes, very down. So whilst you're down there, you're going to find something like custom ads.txt. Yes, make sure that button there is turned on. That button needs to be really turned on before you can change or apply or add this code to it. I have provided the code in the description box, so you would need to download or copy the file from the description box and then paste it here, and you'll be finding something like pub ID. Now, pub ID I'm talking about, you seeing over here, meaning your publisher ID. How would you know your publisher ID on AdSense? Just click on settings. And once you are on settings, that is on AdSense, yes, you're going to click on settings. Then the next thing that you need to look for is account information. So once you're on account information after the loading, yes, you're going to see something like publisher ID. Perfect. So publisher ID. Now, once you see this publisher ID, you need to copy the publisher ID. Perfect. So once you have copied that, head on to Blogger where you see the pub ID, paste it into it. So you're going to see something like your publisher and then your ID. Then I want you to save that. Now, once you save this, you would have to wait for 2 or more weeks. Yes. So Google AdSense is going to crawl. They have a crawler layers that goes through your blog before you are being approved for AdSense. Yes. So before you get this AdSense, they also have to go through and check if ads.txt is enabled. So you would have to wait for some weeks later for them to show authorized. If you're not seeing authorized, it doesn't mean you are not going to get AdSense approval. And put this in your head that ads.txt is not what is going to get you approved for Google AdSense. So if you're seeing something like getting ready, not approved, it doesn't mean you're not going to get AdSense. You are on the verge of getting AdSense approval. If you are using WordPress, there are codes that you would have to work with in order for you to get AdSense approval. Yes, but with Blogger, this is the simplest way for you to work on in order for you to get ads.txt authorized on your blog. Thank you for watching, and I want you to subscribe. Keep on watching.